Take a look at this machine. Our machine's height is only 1.5 meters, and its width is only 850 millimeters. The entire system is designed for automatic feeding, weighing and packaging. The process begins with automatic feeding into the weighing hopper. After weighing, the material is automatically packaged. Simply pour the material into the hopper to complete the fast packing process. The machine uses 2 channels for precise filling. First, the large channel quickly fills the bulk of the material. Then, the small channel provides precise top-off filling. You may notice that there are 2 clamps at the bottom that hold the packaging film. The front and back clamps secure the film, and the weight quantity is injected and dropped into the main packaging machine for sealing and packing. Once packaged, the finished products are conveyed outwards by the finished product conveyor belt. Additional options include weighing or inspection systems. Let's take a look at the final packaging result. The sealing is very smooth, and the film is quite resilient, making the bags difficult to break.